Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Bowdabra and make this gorgeous spring or summer door swag. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm going to cut enough so that I can fold it in half and lay it down into my Bowdabra, and I'll just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then what I'm going to do is take my mesh and I'm going to just roll it a little bit so that the frays is not showing. And then I'm just going to scrunch it in. Just keep scrunching everything in. So this is cool to make a scrunchy bow with the mesh ribbon. And then I have this roll, it kind of rolled itself, but let's just roll this a little bit here and scrunch that in, and then I'll finish scrunching everything else in. So now we have almost like a little flower. Then what I'm going to do is take my leaves and we'll just lay those going this way into my Bowdabra. And we'll take these and lay these going down so they'll hang loose down low. And then I'm going to lay this going this direction and this one going that direction. And then I'll take my flower and lay that in here. I'll take my flower and maybe I'll lay it this way. We'll lay it that way. Then I'm going to take what we cut as my tails and I'm just going to fold it in half, and we'll have the tails lay down coming down towards me. And then I'll take my polka dot ribbon, and all of these ribbons are at bowdabra.com if you're interested in purchasing any of these ribbons. And of course the Bowdabras and the Bowdabra bow wire. So we'll just roll this back and forth. So I'm just going to fold it and twist and fold and twist. And the reason I twist it is so that the right side of the ribbon, or the pretty side of the ribbon, is on the outside of the loops. We'll just make our last loop here. And then what I'll do is take my pretty yellow ribbon and I'm going to just twist it, and we'll fold it and twist and fold and twist. And that's all we're doing here is just folding and twisting. And if you're not already familiar, every Monday at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 Mountain, 6 Central, and 7 Eastern. Let's lay that down there. We do a Bowdabra Facebook Live and YouTube. We've been trying to go live on YouTube as well. So definitely mark it on your calendar and watch us for the lives. And it's a half an hour. It's either me or one of the members of our Bowdabra design team who do a half an hour live showing you all kinds of different projects you can make using your Bowdabra. And we'll just fold this back over here. And I'm going to make a little button loop. So I do that by making it half the size of my other loops. And we just scrunch that down into the Bowdabra. Now I will grab my Bowdabra wand, give everything a really good scrunch, pull it out, go grab my Bowdabra bow wire. And the reason I folded it in half, let me bring that through here. The reason that I folded it in half is because, now I'm scrunching everything out of here. We've got way too much stuff in this Bowdabra, but you could put more. And then I'm going to pull this through my slip knot, which is why I did the slip knot to begin with. Pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra and pull it out. And that way I'm not struggling with my bow at all. Then I'm going to separate my ends and bring it around to the back and bring it around my flowers. And now I'm just going to tie a knot and double knot it. So you could actually tie this onto a wreath if you wanted, or it just makes a beautiful door bow or door swag. And we're just going to shape this out and shape these loops here, and we'll bring the back loops around and bring this loop up here bring my flowers up. So now I'm just going to finish fluffing out this bow. Just fluff it here, fluff this, fluff my center loop, and bring my tails to where I want them. And now you have this beautiful spring or summer door swag. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel.